Class 7, this is your science lecture. In this lecture, we will read page number 76 to 78, unit number 6, composition of matter. First, our topic is valency. Valency of an element is number of electrons in an atom rows in or share to form a compound. If this tendency is strong, then element is reactive or unstable. If it is weak, the element is unreactive or stable. Atom which has 8 electrons in their outermost shell are stable, so atom lose or gain in an electron to achieve stable electronic configuration. The valency of an atom depends upon number of electrons the element has in outermost shell. If element has 4 or few electrons in outermost shell, then the number of electrons is same as the valency. If the element has more than 4 electrons, its valency is 8 minus the number of electrons. For example, calcium has valency of 2 because it has 2 electrons in outermost shell. Nitrogen has valency 3 because it has 3 electrons in outermost shell. Chlorine has valency of 1 because it has 1 electron short of 8. It has 7 electrons in outermost shell. There is a table, valency of different elements are given. The element which has valency 1, hydrogen, sodium and chlorine. Element which has valency 2, calcium, oxygen and magnesium. Element which has valency 3, aluminium, nitrogen and boron. Element which has valency 4, carbon and silicon. Formation of ion. The atom of same element can obtain full shell by losing or gaining electron when they react with other atom. The ion are two types, cation. Cation are formed when atom loses electron and number of proton will be more than number of electron. It has positive charge. For example, atom of sodium. Sodium has 11 electron. In outermost shell there is 1 electron. When sodium loses 1 electron, its third shell is vacant. The ion becomes ion of sodium. Anion, and these are formed when an atom gain electron and number of proton will be less than number of electron and negative charge appears. For example, chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electron in outermost shell. It takes 1 electron from another atom and becomes negative charge ion anion. There is a table, name of some common cation and anion. Some common cation: sodium, Na plus, potassium, K plus, aluminium, Al plus 3, cuprous, Cu plus, cupric, Cu plus 2, ferrous, Fe plus 2, chloride, Cl, oxide, O minus 2, sulfide, sulfur, S minus 2, carbonate, CO3 minus 2, sulfate, SO4 minus 2, chloride, F minus. Law of constant composition. This law states when an element combine, they do so in a ratio of small whole numbers. For example, the formula of water is H2O. The ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is 2:1. The formula of carbon dioxide CO2. The ratio of carbon to oxygen is 1:2. Chemical formula. A substance is represented by a chemical formula. It tells the number and kind of atom in a molecule. To write chemical formula for a compound, it is best to use SVSDF system. Step 1. Write down symbol of both elements involved. Step 2. Beneath each symbol, write its valency. Step 3. Swap the valencies over. Step 4. Divide by smallest number. Step 5. Formula, for example, formula of magnesium chloride. Magnesium Mg, chlorine Cl, valency of magnesium 2, chlorine 1, swap 1 here and 2 under chlorine, divide by 1 and 2, formula MgCl2. Student, there is a table. Let's find out on page 78. Complete the table. Compound carbon dioxide, atom in it 3, formula CO2, ratio 1:1. 2. Magnesium fluoride atom in 3 MgF2 ratio 1:2. Sodium chloride atom in 2 NaCl ratio of atom 1:1. Carbon calcium oxide CaO atom in 2 1:1. Potassium chloride atom in 2 formula KCl 1:1. Student, do this table on your book and learn it. Student, there is another table. Fill in the table to show how electrons are arranged in following atoms. Hydrogen, atomic number 1, electron in first orbit 1. Carbon, 6 atomic numbers in first orbit 2 electron, second shell 4 electron. Nitrogen, atomic number 7 in first shell 2 electron, in second shell 5 electron. Oxygen, atomic number 8 in first shell 2 electron, in second shell 6 electron. Sodium, atomic number 11 in first shell 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, in third shell 1 electron. Magnesium, atomic number 12 in first shell 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, in third shell 2 electron. Aluminium, atomic number 13 in first shell 2 electron, second shell 8 electron, third shell has 3 electron. Chlorine, atomic number 7 in first shell 2 electron, in second shell 8 electron, in third shell 7 electron. Potassium, atomic number 19 in first shell 2 electron, in second shell 8 electron, in third shell 8 electron, in fourth shell 1 electron. Calcium, atomic number 20 in first shell 2 electron, in second shell 8 electron, in third shell 8 electron, in fourth shell 2 electron. There is an activity brain teaser at page 78. Using the symbol of element, figure out what words are represented. Iron plus M plus iodine plus nickel plus neon. जब इनके symbol को हम arrange करते हैं, this word is feminine. Number 2, M plus arsenic plus copper plus lithium plus neon. The word is marcoline. Number 3, iron plus M plus aluminium plus E. Word is female. Number 4, tungsten plus oxygen plus M plus A plus nitrogen. The word becomes woman. Number 5, germanium plus nitrogen, helium, E plus M plus A. The word is gentleman. Number 6, lithium plus dysprosium. The word becomes lady. Student, there is your home task. Do reading page number 76 to page number 78 and learn two tables. Let's find out table number 1 and table number 2 present on 78. Do this table on your book and learn this table very carefully. Thanks a lot.